Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to hyperlink a PDF here in Google Docs. So you will be needing Google Drive for this one. So you want to go ahead and open a new tab and then go to Google Drive. And then over here at the left, you want to click on New. Then click on File Upload. And then you just want to go ahead and upload your PDF file. And after it's done uploading, you want to right click on it. Then click on Share. Click on Share again. Then you just want to change the general access to anyone with the link. Then just go ahead and copy the link. Now you want to go back to Google Docs and then you want to create a display text for your hyperlink. Something like that. And then you want to select the display text. Now go over here at the top, then click on Insert. Click on Link. Then you want to paste the link of the Google Drive of the PDF. Then just click on Apply. And there you go. If they click on this, it will direct them to the PDF. So that's it. Thanks for watching.